Hi everyone. Okay, so since I'm not there today, we are going to be going over a different worksheet. It's called Let's Practice Using Suffixes. It's using both the ER and the EST, so you've used both of these before. So we're going to add either the ER to a word. You can see like long became longer. Then we also added the EST, which became longest. So we'll just go through a couple words real quick. Big, remember, we need that double G when we add on a suffix, okay? So it'll become bigger, biggest. Next would be pretty. Remember when there's a Y at the end, we change the Y to an I and add the suffix, okay? So that becomes P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R, okay? We don't keep that Y in there. So you'll go down that list, do those words, add either the ER or EST, and then at the bottom you're choosing the correct word for each sentence, okay? So Alejandro is the, and then which one makes the most sense? Friendlier, friendliest, and then you have to find the right spelling, okay? And you guys can do it. You can find, there's 5 of those, and then there's some words up here, and you guys can get it done.